we're interviewing you on how programming is going currently and how the robot's working.
It's going very well.
Oh yeah?
Yep.
What kind of things are going good and what kind of things do you think need to be changed by the time of competition?
It's going good because the cameras are working so the robot knows where it is. It's going bad because the robot thinks it knows where it is, but it's wrong by 90 degrees.
So I'm taking apart this so we can add in our coins, but the problem is they're plastic coins so they get stuck, so I'm just adjusting, and here there's a little sensor that I'm just being very finicky with, and then I'm turning it on, dropping a coin through. If it doesn't turn on, I have to tighten it. If it does, but the coin doesn't get stuck, then I have to tighten it, so it's finicky, very, very finicky.
So we have an elevator that we're putting on our robot. It's 2 stages. See, it's got one stage that goes up and down here, and that's the main one. Maximum height, that's what it's going. That's where all height is. And there's another stage inside of the second stage, or the first stage. So the big part's moving up and down, and then you got a little part moving up and down inside another part, and that has our manipulator arm in it. So that's doing up and moving around. It's all just moving around, up and down.
How are you? Why don't you tell us something about what you're working on here? So right now we are working on S.P.U.D and he is tightening down part of our goalpost. Got it. So right now, I'm working on Tinkercad to design a 3D print so that we can put it in our toy claw machine and we can give people chances to win little pieces of merchandise that they can put on like keychains. We're going to have buttons that they can put on their shirt, stickers, just a bunch of merchandise. And it's cool because it's got our logo on it and stuff. They're shaped like potatoes.